It's day 6 on the book advent calendar, and if you're wondering where I got this very festive, kind of heavy jumper hood thingy, it's a new look from last Christmas. Yeah, I really need to do some shopping. I haven't done much Christmas shopping this year yet, but hey, it's only the 6th of December. There's still time. Today, though, doesn't just belong to this very fluffy jumper. It belongs to another of my TV heroes, Mr. Graham Norton. So Graham has a new book out called The Life and Loves of a He-Devil, and it's been out for a while now, and it's the second book he's written about his life. He had one about 10 years ago, which kind of went through the kind of up-and-coming career before everything had exploded and before he was the Friday night must-watch. So The Life and Loves of a He-Devil, I haven't had a chance to read yet, but I am dying to get through because Laura Slattery of the Irish Times here in Ireland says it's definitely one of those books that somebody who hopes to have a career in television in any capacity someday should read. Much like Dermot O'Leary's Story of My Life, or Soundtrack of My Life, sorry, One Direction, damn you. Soundtrack to My Life, which was my day one recommendation. So The Life and Loves of a He-Devil is a really interesting autobiography because Graham has split it up into chapters. So he's talking about his dogs, about drink, about New York, about Ireland, and basically taking the last, I suppose, decade or so, and like maybe some of his past before that, and talking about it in terms of those categories. So this man is incredible on TV, so I think having the chance to sit down and read about his life in his words is going to be an absolute pleasure this Christmas. It's got to be one of the hottest books on the shelves, on Christmas gift lists, Christmas wish lists. I don't know which one sounds better, but if you're looking for another good memoir to have a good old read of this Christmas, or give somebody a good laugh and get a great insight into the way TV works, 20 pages of research per guest this man does. So he doesn't be that funny with no hard work behind it. I recommend checking out The Life and Loves of a He-Devil by Mr. Graham Norton. If you've been enjoying my book a day calendar for the Advent period, I've messed that up clearly, then be sure to click subscribe and check out the full playlist, which is available over yonder. Until tomorrow, I hope you're enjoying the lead up to Christmas, and happy reading.